Hey y'all, it's Kay, of course. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I want to share with you guys this curly wig I was sent from VSHOW Hair. Just in case you guys are interested, check below in the description box. So here we have packaging. I absolutely love their packaging, you guys. It's on point. And the wig construction, it has two combs in the front. No, not two combs, three combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. Right here, I'm trying on a wig with the lace, and I did go in with my finishing powder to darken the lace because the lace did come transparent, which I'm not really a fan of transparent lace because I feel like you gotta put in a little bit of extra work just to make the lace blend in with your skin complexion if you are not a lighter skin tone. But I did go in and bleach the knots, and I also went in and plucked the hairline just a little bit more. The hairline did come pre-plucked though. If you don't want to, you don't have to go in and pluck the hairline. Now, just giving y'all some details on this wig. I do have it in 30 inches. It is a 13 by 4 transparent lace like I stated before, and it's 250% density. So you're looking at $398.19 that you'll be spending on this wig. And like I always say, depending on the length you get, depending on the amount of lace and how much hair you want as far as the density, will reflect the price. So if you get a shorter length, of course the wig will be cheaper. I also want to point out that this wig only comes in one cap size, and that's an average cap size, which is 22-inch circumference. So if your head is bigger than 22 inches, don't even try it because you're not fitting into this wig. My head is around a 20 and a half to 21 inches, and the wig fits very snug on me. So I would not recommend this if you have a big head. It's just not big head friendly, period. Alright guys, if you do decide to purchase this wig or any wig that has transparent lace, this is what I do to get the lace blended in with my skin. So I go in with my finishing powder, and after I add the finishing powder to the lace, I go in with my styling foam, and I'm using styling foam by the brand Cake, and I actually like this stuff. So I'm taking it and applying it to the front of the lace, and you don't want to add too much. Now I will say work fast, you guys, because you will feel the lace lifting, and it's okay because you're gonna, right after you apply that, you're gonna go in with your elastic band and you're gonna cover that up. Once you've applied your elastic band, you're going to want to let that dry. So maybe for like 5 to 10 minutes. Me, I'm pressed for time, so I did go in with my blow dryer and let it dry. But you can, let it air dry, or you can use your blow dryer. It's up to you. I was pressed for time. I used my blow dryer. Now, baby, look at that melt. Yes, and I did just do that, y'all. You know how I be like that excess residue on there? That's what I did. So we're going to get it how we live. Now I'm taking my baby hair brush and I'm just like brushing out the front. But anyway, for this wig, I'm thinking a half up, half down. So that's what I basically decide to do. As you can see, I'm trying to debate on whether I want to wear a part or if I want to pull it up. And I decided I wanted to pull it up, y'all. I was having such a difficult time trying to maneuver in that outfit, so I did have to switch my shirt out just so I can like lift my arms up. Now I'm taking my wax stick and just molding my ponytail to where I want it to be, and that's basically it. So yeah, like I said, I already washed this hair. So this is the natural, bless me, this is the natural curl pattern after it's been washed, and I'm not going to go back and re-wet it or anything, just because I like that look and that frizzy, kind of like frizzy, natural, blown out kind of curl. So we just going to put a ponytail in there and then keep it moving. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. And if you missed anything throughout the video, all the details will be listed in my description box. And if I have coupon codes, I will make sure I add them so you can get some monies off.
What you do.